It was, I think, a great game. Very entertaining hockey by both teams. France scores on their first shot, and then our power play responds a little later in the third period. Both teams had great scoring chances. Both goalies played very well, and I felt that once you got in OT 3-on-3, this is very entertaining. So Denis Smirnov came in with a huge individual effort to give us the win. So fun night in Liepaja.
What do you think about goalie Nazaros?
He played very, very good. It's a great story. His first start in the national team, and we know the story. He got beat on his first shot, but then shut the door on them, and he's a fan favorite here in Liepaja. So I think it's a good night for the fans here. And what a great support they gave us since our arrival. Everything has been unbelievable. Our hotel, the food, the fans. This is a great sports city.
What about tomorrow? Any changes?
Yeah, there'll be some changes. We have a few injuries, so we're going to meet tonight, and we'll come back. But tomorrow is the last game, so we want to make sure that we keep playing the right way.
Denis, spēle izskatījās, ka bija grūti šodien, bet beigās izdevās uzvarēt. Kāds tavs komentārs?
Varbūt Francijai bija vairāk atpūtas laiks, bet bija godīgi bija grūti iet spēlēt, kājas bija tādas smagas šodien. Bet, kad otrā periodā labi sākām iegam spēlē, parādījās mums momenti, izlīdzinājām un aizgāja. Jā, liels paldies visiem, kas atnāca šodien mums atbalstīja. Bija ļoti skaidri, tas mums palīdzēja, tas emocijas, ļoti laba enerģija bija cepurnos visiem faniem, kas atnāca pie mums šodien.
Ko zini, un es redzēju pa Baltijas komandu līdz šajā turnīrā?
Godīgi, es tikai varbūt vienu periodu paskatījos, kad viņi spēlē pret Francijas izlases. Laba komanda, ātri, meistarīgi spēlētāji tur spēlē, tā kā ar pieredzi, tā kā būs laba spēle rītdien.